this video, I'll show you how you can create a bootable pen drive or USB drive using Windows 10 or Windows 11 easily. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure that you have the ISO file of Windows 10 or Windows 11 available for installation. If you don't have these, check the link in the description. They will show you how you can download Windows 10 or Windows 11 ISO from official Microsoft website. Once you have the ISO, we are ready to move ahead. Now go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. We need this tool to convert our pen drive or USB stick to a bootable drive. Scroll down and here you'll see these options. Click on the first one and your download will start. Once the download is complete, just click on open file and your installation will open. If you are asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click on yes, and now you will see this. So if you accidentally close this, you can just press your Windows key and type RUFUS and you'll see this again. Now click on this to open it. Now here you will see options on which pen drive or USB stick to choose. Just choose the one that you want to convert to a bootable drive. And then here you need to choose disk or ISO image and then click on select, and now go to wherever you have your ISO file. I have this here inside this, so I'll just double click this windows.iso and now it is chosen. So after you've selected, you will see this message that says scanning image. Let's wait for a while and the scanning will be complete. Once the scanning is complete, just click on start. You will see these options. So no need to do anything else for now, just click on OK. If you see this message, just click on OK. But in most cases, you will not see this message, just click on OK. And now this warning means that everything in your pen drive will be removed. So make sure if you have anything important, you copy it somewhere else before you do this, because your pen drive will be formatted and everything will be lost. Now just click on OK. And as you can see, the creation of bootable pen drive or bootable USB drive has started. After a few minutes, you will see this message that says ready. This means that your USB has become bootable and now you can boot into your PC using this USB drive. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.